Welcome to our tutorial on the Rapid Sketch tool. Let's turn on the Rapid Sketch function and select the Sketch tool. As I move my mouse, you see various sketch planes become highlighted. I can start sketching. Okay, my sketch is closed. Now I can go ahead and select a different sketch plane. Sketch 2. And we have Sketch 2 and 3 created here very quickly. Let's select a different tool now, the rectangle. Okay, as you see, all the entities I've created here belong to Sketch 4. And after we're done, let's exit the sketch. Here are our 4 new sketches. This concludes our tutorial on the Rapid Sketch function.